Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host Crypto Chester, and today we are going to be talking about the one and the only POPCAT. Love to see it. Okay, so POPCAT is exploding right now, looking for around a 1.55% move here on the daily. It's actually looking really good. So what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be breaking down POPCAT from a technical analysis perspective and looking at sort of some price targets for this asset. Okay, and that's sort of how the video is going to be structured. We're going to be going through it. We're going to be breaking down. We're going to look at see if we can make any sort of money trading this asset right now. Okay, so just an overview on POPCAT. Of course, it is this lovely popping clicking cat, right? It's one of the first participants in the clicking meta, and that is why it's done very well overall. Currently priced at around $1.64 billion in terms of a MC, a market cap right now, up around 1.5% here on the daily as of now. We are seeing a nice explosive move at this very current time here for POPCAT, which is very crucial here. Over the last 7 days, it's actually up 14%. Now, if you use that in comparison to a lot of other assets in the space, even Pepe with even Doge, I don't think is up 40. I know Doge is. I think Doge is up 30% due to Elon tweeting about it, right? But in terms of a meme coin moving on its own without some massive influence from, say, Elon Musk, POPCAT is clearly winning that race. Okay, up 14% over the last 7 days. Let's look at it on the monthly, and it's up around 69% as well on the monthly. Very good. This chart is very attractive. Okay, now what can we actually expect from this asset? If we are going to be going to the all-time high here for POPCAT, that was a market cap of around 1.74 billion. We're actually we're $100 million away from that all-time high getting tapped. When this all-time high hits, I actually think that we're probably going to sail all the way to $2 billion quite quickly here. As I said, it's ranked 53rd out of all cryptocurrencies right now, but I think a $2 billion market cap is definitely on the cards for this asset. What other asset is exploding right now in this current market, in this current reactions to Bitcoin nearly hitting all-time highs? Not that many. Bitcoin dominance is too high, but for these lower cap sort of meme coins, they tend to usually move on their own, and Bitcoin isn't dominant over them. But and that's why one like POPCAT is actually doing really quite nicely. Okay. So definitely want to go check out if you haven't checked it out already. Obviously, they've got a very cool website which you can get addicted to clicking if you're into all that stuff. But without further ado, let's get straight into the chart of POPCAT, and let's see how we can actually make some money and get some price predictions coming through. Before we go into that, guys, take a look at Pepe Unchained. It's a layer 2 base protocol. It's about to achieve the biggest ICO, initial coin offering, in history. Okay, $24 million raised near enough. They're in for 24.3. This thing is going to absolutely explode at launch. The eyes that I've seen on this project right now is actually unbelievable. Okay, they have $24 million basically backing them already. It's pretty much destined for success. It's basically Pepe is now going to have its own blockchain, and they're hosting a pre-sale for this. So basically, a lot of the Pepe holders are coming over to Pepe Unchained, and they're now going to be building meme coins on the Pepe blockchain, which is a layer 2 based protocol built on, you guessed it, Ethereum. Basically exactly the same as base chain, but for Pepe, and built for meme coins to be built on it. Okay, so you can imagine the success of this asset in itself is huge. Okay, and it basically means lower transaction fees, or the lowest transaction fees on Ethereum, which is just ridiculously good for the Ethereum network, higher volume capacity, and it's also 100 times faster than Ethereum itself. And it will have a dedicated blockchain explorer like Etherscan, like Solscan, where you can dissect the wallets, look at the transactions, look at the blockchain in depth. But yeah, huge news, massively bullish on this. Pepe now has its own blockchain. What more do you want? Links are in the description. If you guys want to go check it out, you can. If you guys want to get involved with the pre-sale, you can with Ethereum, USDT, Card, or even BNB. Okay, links are in the description for you guys there. Now let's get into the POPCAT chart. It's just a very attractive chart. If you look at it, it's just holding all these higher low levels really clean here. We're not seeing any sort of crazy rejection here, and again, it's not massively overpriced, so there's still massive potential here. It is going to be a roughly around a 10% move to the all-time high that we do have here on Binance, and I think it's probably just going to explode to that point now. What it looks like, it's going to take another run to the top. How much resistance will get hit when we hit this top? It's kind of hard to say right now, okay? Because if you look at it in a more broader spectrum here, you can see we've got a very clear horizontal here. But that horizontal isn't quite in line with this trend line that we've got coming up, right? And this trend line that we've got coming up here does pose levels of support and levels of resistance quite nicely. So you can see resistance, 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 but with some spillage at times, as you can see. And sometimes it spills right the hell over, okay? So if that is going to happen, then we can probably be looking at a bigger move. The bigger move that I'm sort of talking about here is potentially around a 20% move, and that will basically soar us straight to that $2 billion market cap. And I think if we do see us hit all-time highs at around $1.83 billion, I think it's very likely that all-time high for POPCAT will give a lot of people more confidence, and they will buy it straight up to $2 billion. We'll probably dump at $2 billion, but to get to $2 billion is looking very, very quite hopeful here in this current market. Let me know what you think of POPCAT. Let me know what you think of that TA, and whether you think that we're going to hit 20 billion, not 20 billion, sorry, or maybe if you think we're going to hit 20 billion, let me know in the comment section. If you think we're going to hit $2 billion here for this asset, I'm very confident. I think we will. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now. Drop a like on it if you found some value. If you're new to the channel, hit some subscribe buttons, notification bell, and you're never going to miss one of our uploads here over on Crypto News. Peace out. Catch you in the next one.